pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm real glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will stay and take a chance on this channel and think about subscribing before you leave. And if you're returning, guess what? I've got something brand new to my channel. Now, you guys have seen me unbox panty subscriptions before. Knotty Knickers reached out to me, and the first thing I thought, I was like, Knotty Knickers, my mom, who is in her 70s, called certain panties and certain shorts knickers. So I thought, oh my gosh, are they gonna have anything that I'm gonna like? You know, like I've seen a few people unbox certain things, but I didn't know the styles. I didn't know, what this was gonna be. I'm thinking like grandma underwear, because I really like nice, cute little things. So I opened the package, I cut it open, but I haven't looked to see what's in here yet. So I'm gonna do that with you, and we're gonna see how excited I am. And I'm going to give you a full review. Okay, kind of scared. All right, let's do this. Oh, wow. Okay, the colors are wild. I did request size small. The first pair I see is these orange ones. They're lacy. Then I see a red pair. And I asked for like bikini ones, I think. And I was still scared. And here's a blue pair. Okay, so I've got to cut these open. Let me go ahead and do that. My eyebrow scissors here. And open these up. I don't know, guys. I'm kind of shocked. Oh, I like them. I do. Okay, there's the back. Okay, so the front's got like this here that's opened up. I've never seen underwear like that before. Okay, let me see what it says. Size small, material is part spandex, part other things. Hand wash recommended. Okay. Okay, so they look good. Let's open the other pairs. Maybe they're all the same. No, they're different. Okay, I do have to look up the prices because I'm not sure. But I am addicted to underwear. Oh my gosh, these are cute. Oh wow, okay. They're super soft for lace. Are you kidding me? I am shocked. Wow, they're stretchy. I like. There's the front, there's the back. It's pretty similar. It's got this here, which I think is cute. All right. Alrighty. If I had a tan, those would look nice. Now, mind you, I don't have a husband, so no one's going to see them, but, all right. Okay. Oh, wow. These are cute, too. Look at the little X's and the bow. I am all about cute but comfort, for sure. So the next thing that I've got to do is I've got to try these on. If they don't reveal too much, I'll put a picture or two in here, and then I've got to wash them. So I've got to wash them and wear them so I can give you a full review. So we're not completely done here, but I am going to put Knotty Knickers information down in the description box below. And if you have any questions, put them down there as well. This is a brand new company to me, so I'm super excited to try these out. I need to look at prices, I need to look at other things, and then I need to come back and tell you guys my experience. So I'm gonna go do that. And all right, guys, so I am getting ready to cook. The kids are at school, and I'm trying on the new underwear that I received from Knotty Knickers. So I wanted you guys to see how they fit. They are pretty much true to size. These are super cute. Right here, there is no fabric, and I love the way that that looks. There's a little bow. In the back, you can see it's nice
how they fit. I'm super excited. They're super cute. So let me go on and get the next pair. Here are the next pair. Super, super comfy, and they're cute, and they've got a little bit of lace, but they're soft, so it's not like rough against your skin. Again, true to size, I'm a size small. I am 5'6", probably about 117 pounds at this point. Yes, I did put on a little bit of weight, mostly muscle though. So, all right, so anyhow, this is what they look like. Now, I'm not sure if I can actually show you the third pair because it's kind of revealing. So let me check to see how it looks. So this is the third pair. They are a little more revealing. They are still very comfortable, and they are lacy, but it's really soft. Like, I don't usually like lace unless it's kind of like this. So this is new to me and different. And these are, you know, a little more sexy kind of underwear, so they do have them as well, contrary to what I used to believe. Here we are with my Knotty Knickers at my washing machine. Oh, it's a little dirty. Of course, I got laundry going all the time. It said to hand wash them. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to put these in on delicate cycle and let them hang dry. I'm going to use a little bit of Tide. They got up here, and we're going to see how well they work. I'm a busy mom. Hand washing them, I mean, I guess I can, but let's just see if they work on delicate cycle. Let's really put these undies to the test. All right, as you can see, I have my undies in there, put my soap in here, put this down, put it over on delicate, and click start. Undies are washed. So we're going to take them out. They look fine. I'm going to hang them up.
Okay guys, so now you've seen me unbox the Knotty Knickers. I just want to giggle when I say that. Panties, I've worn them. I've washed them, and I hung them dry. So I want to tell you my final thoughts, what I like about these undies. Well, I like that they come to the door discreetly. They're in like a little packaging, as you guys seen. No one knew where they came from. I don't have to go to the mall or wait for the semi-annual sale from Victoria's Secrets twice a year. And they not only have like the comfort, the cuteness, the stretch, the softness with it, but for $3.99, you can get one pair or you can get 3 pairs delivered every single month. There's 100% cotton liners in each of their undies, even the lacy ones, which I absolutely love. The size ranges, here's another thing. You cannot get sizes extra small to 3X, and you can here, which I think is amazing, and I love that. So the sizes are consistent. They're true to size. Like I told you, the size small worked perfect for my frame. I'm 5'6", 117 pounds, and they worked amazing. So now I don't have to worry about buying a bunch of underwear. I can get these every single month. That's really what I have to say about them. I am quite surprised at the quality, quite surprised at the price. And the price, I mean, oh my gosh, the price! For the cuteness, the softness, I just can't get over it. I'm truly excited to have received these. Thank you so much, Knotty Knickers, for sending them to me. You've truly changed my mind when it comes to underwear, to panties, and I'm starting to like the name Knotty Knickers. All right, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Have you tried this underwear company? Are you going to try this underwear company? Let me know everything. Talk to me down in the comments. If you've got any questions at all, put them there as well. I will do my very best to answer them. Check out my description box and my pinned comment for how you can get your own pair or pairs, because the best value is when you buy 3. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.